Hello everyone, welcome to part 88 of the Dr. Wayne Dyer 101 Ways to Transform Your Life series. 88 parts in, it's exciting. So, here we are, talking more and more about judgment. We have covered judgment at least 5 or 6 times, I would imagine. I'm not certain of the exact number, but we've talked a lot about judgment, and we're going to keep talking about it. He says that this time we should notice our thoughts of judgment, and then instead turn to thoughts of love. Now this is very similar of, I feel like this is so much like a bunch of principles we've already heard a bunch of times about judgment, so I don't really think there's anything too unique here. I think we already understand the idea that when we judge others and our reality and we judge things as not being perfect, we're then telling our subconscious mind to judge us as not being perfect. And it will say, you're not good enough, you suck, you're not perfect, and feel bad, feel guilt, feel shame, feel all these kind of things. And basically that really happens when we judge others and we judge our world. So instead, let's just not judge, basically. He's once again saying, turn to the higher presence, turn to love, don't judge. Now this is a pretty short part because that's about all I got to say on it. As I said, we've done this a lot of times before. So I'll see you guys next time with part 89, because this one's just, it's a repetition, almost exactly of what we had earlier. So see you guys with part 89.